Good morning, this is Dr. S. Prince Samuel, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Biomedical Engineering at SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. SNS College of Technology is the very first Indian institution to implement the design thinking framework in the entire curriculum. The subject which I am going to discuss is about wearable sensors for healthcare. The topic name is E-textiles. The E-textiles is nothing but electronic textiles. In our easy understanding, we can say it is the smart jacket. Smart jacket. So the term jacket means it is like some kind of a shirt where the sensors are attached to our shirt. So we use the term here smart jacket. So this smart jacket consists of different kinds of sensors, as I mentioned. The sensors which monitor the location, which monitor the temperature, which monitor the motion. So these three parameters, it will be monitored each and every second. So where this E-textile is used is nothing but the first main application of E-textile is it is used in military and in ships, because particularly the soldiers who are in the border area, they are at a very high temperature or low temperature. We don't know the current situation of the soldier. So this E-textile, so this it becomes in the form of a jacket. If this jacket is worn by him, he need not do anything. The entire process is completely automated. Automation means the sensor takes the reading, monitors the reading and sends it to the service station or the location or the hospital where it is configured. The main parameters are nothing but this temperature, the motion, the location. So the motion means that it consists of the accelerometer sensor, because location means it is nothing but where the soldier is currently placed, the geographic location. The second one is nothing but the temperature. Temperature means the main thing is nothing but the human body temperature. We just speak about whether he is having some kind of fever or low fever or high fever or medium fever, etc. And third one is nothing but the motion sensor. Motion sensor is very important because it consists of the accelerometer sensor, because he or she, the soldier, he or she, if he falls or suddenly faints, in those kind of situations, this motion sensor, they play a vital role. So many we got some wearable motion sensors. Either if suddenly fatigue happens to the thing, or if he faints, or those cases, this motion sensors, they play a vital role. These jackets are weatherproof because particularly in the border areas, there are different variations of climatic conditions. In any climatic conditions, this smart jacket works out very successfully. So we use the term smart because it is consists of sensors, which is not a normal sensor. It consists of the smart sensors. Smart sensors means it is capable of storing the information on its own and processing the information on its own. That is the difference between a normal sensor and a smart sensor. Capable of storing the information on its own and processing the information on its own. It is completely automation based. The IoT technology is interfaced with this thing because the transmission of the medical parameters or the parameters like location, temperature, motion, here the concept of IoT is involved. Using this IoT technology, we transfer the data to the station which we have configured. So another thing, what about the cost? The cost of the smart jacket is also moderate only. It is not very high like that, because this smart jacket is used in the ships and border areas, and we have to develop this low cost device because frequent service is not possible in the military areas, or any damage to the smart service is not easily possible. So like those cases, the service, there is no point of service in this smart jacket unless it is externally damaged by external. So these smart jackets, they won't work. Apart from this smart jacket is revolving each and every year. More parameters are being monitored. Now the diaptic level monitoring is also being attached with this smart sensors. Non-invasive diaptic monitoring is also diaptic monitoring is also done using this smart jacket, because one another parameter, if the person blood sugar level becomes suddenly very low, if it goes below 70 or 60, Also, the patient may go into the coma stage or sudden stroke may come. So, the non-invasive diabetic level monitoring is also interfaced with this smart jacket set. So, E-textiles is a continuous developing process which we do each and every year. The research is being taken place to improve the more parameters. Thank you.